Oh! Ah, try being an influencer, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Oh, I gotta save that. I gotta... Trying Buc-ee's for the first time. So I went to Buc-ee's here in Arizona. I've never been to freaking Buc-ee's. I got a lot of stuff my chat actually recommended. So we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna name them as we go. I'm not gonna name them now. Okay, that was a lot, bro. That was hard work, man. Let me bring my tablet though, so I could see the comments. She's running. Okay. BTS, this is a content day. You already know. It's Offer Me Turbo. Okay, there you go. Oh, why didn't no one tell me I was doing overtime? What? Guys, that's disrespectful. All right, what should I try first? Should I try the sausage? Oh no, the taco. The taco. Do I try the taco first? Yeah, I'm gonna try the taco first. All right, first we have a brisket and egg taco. Let's see. Rolled up like my blunts. Oh my gosh. That looks good. Wait, I need ketchup. Hold on, let me get ketchup. Cheese. I like ketchup on my eggs, bro. Oh shit. Guys, this is content creator 101. Do something rage baity that's gonna get people to engage. So obviously I'm gonna try it first and then ketchup. Think about it, chat. God. All right, we're just gonna have a bite first. Raw egg, brisket, let's go. Wow. What the fuck? This shit good. Damn. Okay, the egg is really good. The meat is very tender, man. Very tender. But for those that don't know, I like ketchup on my eggs. So we're gonna try with ketchup. Zoom in. Bon appetit. Even better with ketchup, bro. God dang. Okay. Not gonna lie. This is really fire, dude. It's fucking good. 9 out of 8.5 out of 10. Save some for Amanda. Who? Damn, this is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this taco 8.5. Let's just say 9 out of 10. It's so freaking good, man. I could literally finish it, but I have a lot of food to try. So on to the next. Dude, what the? I shouldn't have gone to Buc-ee's, bro. Because now it's gonna be routine. It's gonna be routine for me to go, dog. Every morning. Yeah, bro, and it's not even that far. That's a crazy thing. Another tip I learned is to do some sus things for your videos. So you know what that means. Hello. Next on the list, we have a sausage on a stick with tortilla. It's pretty big, bro. Look. That's big. Yeah, I don't even know where to open up, bro. How do you open this? Am I doing good, chat? Bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have people engaged. I'm telling you. Ay, papa. Damn, this shit, like low key. I didn't even know it was a tortilla. Okay, ready? It literally is sausage on a stick. That's some Texas bullshit right there. It's good. The tortilla is very soft, like they just made it. Sausage, good, a bit smoky, like it. Peppery, like it. Put some ketchup on this. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, it does taste a little bit better with ketchup, but by itself, it's also good. Look at it. Ay, papa. I'm gonna go ahead and rate this stick. I'm gonna go ahead and rate this sausage on a stick 8, just because right now it is a little cold, but when it's warm and it's good. Anyways, on to the next. I'm fucking hungry. Dude, this is not bad. I hate y'all for telling me go to Buc-ee's. Mac and cheese time. All right, next we have the mac and cheese brisket, bro. I've heard a lot of good things. Shout out to Tiffany from Texas, San Antonio, Texas. She lives in the house. I'm just kidding. Shout out. This is, she said this is really good. I like mac and cheese. I like briskets. Yeehaw. Let's eat this up. As you guys can see, literal mac and cheese with brisket. It does have barbecue, so if you're not a fan of barbecue, don't get this. But if you're a fan of everything, get this shit right now, bro. First bite. Let me get some meat. Now I see why San Antonio people are big, bro. Wait, no, not that. Now I see why Texas people are big. Cause bro, this shit's bussin'. Good, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 9.5 out of 10. This is amazing, chat. This is amazing. Guys, it's all jokes, man. Include the whole state. I did. Damn, Lola, are you not a Texan? She hates Texas. Include the whole state. Wow. That is busting, dude. He's gonna get attacked. It's for the engagement, bro. What's next? The brisket sandwich? Should I try the I think so, right? Yeah. All right. This one's the sliced brisket sandwich. This is Woohoo's favorite. Let's see if it's fucking good. Next, we have the sliced brisket sandwich. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's already messy, bro. As you can see, it looks like a Texan. Here you got the meat. That shit looks fire. Wow. A lot of barbecue. So if you're not a barbecue fan, don't get it. Pero si te gusta la carne, get it. Dude, I was just telling my chat I hate them so much because this is literally gonna be my new addiction. Bro, everything's so good. What the hell? 9.5, no, 9 out of 10. It's just a little cold. I should warm it up, but 9 out of 10. Let me actually get a slice without the bread and see how it looks, and see how it tastes. It melts in your mouth. Wow. That is really good. That is bomb. I'm gonna change it to 10 out of 10. Okay. I'm running out of time on my TikTok. Fuck. What's more important right now? I got the cookie dough. I only have like 3 minutes left on TikTok. I need to do this, right? Paddletail. And then this, I'll save for later. All right, yeah, we're just gonna jump to the paddletail. All right. And next on the list is a thing they call a paddletail. I don't know literally what it is. I think it's a croissant with chocolate, cinnamon. I don't know. It was whoa. Hola, niños. Damn. Okay. Let's try it. That's good stuff right there. It's giving sopapilla vibes. It's giving a paddletail. Good as dessert, bro. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9, bro, this shit. What's in it? Nothing. It's just literally bread. It's literally bread. Just bread. Let me go get a napkin. Hold on. Wow. Delicioso. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's like the elephant ears for sure. It's literally like that. I was trying to come up. I couldn't remember the name. Yeah, it's giving oreja. It is. It is. I was trying to remember it right now. Oh my gosh, I made a mess. Okay. Next. Next, we have the cookie dough chocolate chip. I'm so excited for this, bro. I love cookie dough and chocolate chips. Smells good. You know what it smells like? It smells like cookie dough. All right, here we go. Little bite. Wow. Wow. That is dangerous. That's a 10 out of 10. Bro, imagine going on a road trip. You stop at Buc-ee's. You're going to have to buy 5 cups. 5 cups. 10 out of 10. I dropped my phone again. She's from Texas, I can tell. I think it's just so heavy, bro. Okay, there it is. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I don't even know how I add it. I should have used a heavier tripod for it. Yeah, cookie dough always smacks. For sure. I love cookie dough. All right, let's do banana pudding. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of this. But just because y'all said that, I'll try it for y'all. All right, last on our list is banana pudding. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like banana pudding, but I will try it just to try it. A lot of my chat said it's good. Actually, one person said it's good. I don't know, let's do it. We gotta get some whipped cream. Yo, wait. It has bread in it? Yo! 8 out of 10. I'm out of time. 8 out of 10. What is in this? It's like bread. Bro. Wow. Wafer. This is fucking good. Wow. Take this away from me. Take this away from me. Sorry. Sorry, banana pudding lovers. Sorry I ever said I didn't like it. Sorry. No, dude, what? That's dangerous as fuck. Wow. That's good. Delicious. Yeah, it's dangerous. During the holidays, I make a big pan and it's always gone. Wow, I don't know why I say I don't like it when I never had it, but here's the thing. I don't really like these type of puddings. I really don't. So Spencer, my bad. I fucking love it. My ex-best friend made the best trays. You gotta come friends with them again, bro, because what? Okay, this, y'all remember? It was $142, right? I dropped the phone. Okay. I just gotta make a video separately to let them know. The jalapeno sausage. I'll try it right now for you guys. It's right there. Tiff, are you still here or no? Excuse me. So in total, I spent $142. Shout out to my chat for donating and telling me to go to Buc-ee's because this is really good. 142 was because I bought 4 shirts. 1 for me, 1 for my wife, 2 for my kids, or 1 for my kid, you know? So yeah, man, I recommend Buc-ee's. It's so bomb. Everything is good. I still need to explore more. So yeah, follow me on Twitch to go explore. Peace. Yeah, man, W Mochis, guys. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate that, man. You guys didn't have to do it. Y'all didn't, but y'all did. So thank you guys so much. Neta. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this trip, dude. Let me put you guys back to normal. You guys are not so far from me. All right. So my sausages, no. Tiff, I only had 5-10 minutes. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I'll try them right now, bro. Here you go. Tiffany's sausage. Oink, bom, bom. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna review Lunchables. What do you mean? What do you mean? 10 minutes long as fuck. I know. I know. $30 was a cute idea. I'm gonna be honest, chat. I don't like pretzels. I hate pretzels. So that's why when Tiff said pretzels, I was like, I'm not gonna like this, bro. But hey, I'm doing it for the plot, dude. I'll try it. I'll try it. I'll try it. Okay. Okay. So Tiff, how do you eat this? Do you just eat it like a Lunchable or what? She's from Texas, I can tell. How you a foodie? I just am. I just am. Yeah, that's why it's not true. Te lo hocico, woohoo. I eat pretzels with the cheese together. Okay, okay. So sausage separate, salchicha separate. All right, what cheese? The yellow cheese or the, what is this, pepper jack? We'll just try it. Ready? Hold on. Still no with the pretzels, but this cheese, jalapeno cheese, dank. D-A-N-K. Wow. That's good cheese. That's good cheese. So you were avoiding them on purpose, huh? Me? Who, me? No. No. Could never be me. No. I would cut up the sausage on a stick. Ay, papa. Ay, papa. Okay, okay. Skipping right over it. Tiff, chill, bro. I got it already. Let's try the pepperoni. Damn, bro. Yeah, everything, guys, is really dangerous. Everything. Everything. It's good. Wait, Tiff, or whoever lives in Texas. So Buc-ee's are not really close to you, or what? Is Buc-ee just like a road trip type thing? Or qué pedo? Because this Buc-ee's is literally 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Really fucking close. It used to be. Damn, I feel bad for you then. If it's fucking far from you, I feel bad. Only getting this when you go on a road trip? Oh, it is a road trip to Buc-ee's. Both Buc-ee's are 30 minutes. That's not bad though. I would go. Question is, would you take a road trip? Yeah. A road trip to Buc-ee's. I think it's worth it though. I think a road trip to Buc-ee's is definitely worth it. This is really good. I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 just because I really don't like the pretzels, but I would eat the protein. I would eat the protein and the cheese. Sometimes I go for the heck of it. Oh, you just go for the heck of it? That's good. Part 2 tomorrow? No manches. This is bomb. Thank you guys once again. I do appreciate y'all for letting me know about this. Or about everything, actually. I don't even know what I want. I have a lot of shit, bro. Honestly, this is going to be dinner for me. Thank you guys. You have to try the club melt next. Oh, papa. The club melt? Dude, what should I eat? I'm going to eat the taco. Taco was good. What's your favorite thing so far? Top 3? 1, mac and cheese. 2, this taco. 3, the sandwich. The sausage was good too though. Fuck. Guys, it's hard. Everything's good. That's a little taste of Texas breakfast tacos. Yeah, when I go, I hope whoever, you know, either if it's Tiff or Henry, y'all take me to a good place for tacos. And take me to the barbacoa too. I want to try it. I want to try it. You need chopped brisket. You got the wrong one. You're right. My bad. I did. That's my fault. You know what? Let's go back. Let's go again. Let's go right now. So good, bro. So good. Wait, there is... Hold on. Let's try this. Let's try the beef jerky. Protein. I got the hot and spicy one. Nata here in the chat said it was really hot. Fuck. Holy shit. It's giving Asian spice. You better like them or I'm gonna cry. Dude, I'm scared to touch them with my hand. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh no. That little piece was spicy. What the fuck? Damn. Keep eating yogurt. Yeah, I'm already feeling the heatness. This is good. This is really good. Definitely a good protein snack. A really good protein snack. Imagine the fresh ones. Wait, they have different flavors of the fresh ones? Bro, Buc-ee's is like a fucking Chuck E. Cheese to me now. Yeah, man. I shouldn't have gone. Literally, If you have no plans for dinner or like you want to go eat out, go to Buc-ee's. Literally, if you have one close by, they have everything. Go to Buc-ee's, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. Instead of Chilaquile Fridays, Buc-ee Fridays. Hello. What up, kids? My nalgas. All the packaged ones they have on the wall are mostly the same fresh. Got it. If they're on a delivery app, that's really dangerous. Yeah, wait. Should I check? Let me see, dude. Maybe they are, because I'm telling you, it's only 20 minutes. 15 at it, at that. Nah, they're not on there. They're not on here. Yeah, that would be fucking dangerous. Just order. Yeah, let me get a fucking salchicha. Yeah, I have to do some stuff before he gets home. So, thank you guys. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully we could do more IRLs. Hopefully we could do more IRLs. The goal is I want to go to Top Golf with y'all.